Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
I will walk you through every realistic way to find deleted messages on iPhone. Each method depends on your settings, like messages in iCloud and backups. First, check the recently deleted folder built into Messages for up to 30 days. Next, confirm whether your device uses messages in iCloud or standard iCloud backups. Then consider restoring an iCloud or local backup created before deletion. Finally, use a trusted third-party recovery tool or ask your carrier for SMS records. Start by opening Messages and tapping Filters to find recently deleted. Messages here remain for 30 days before permanent removal, so act quickly. If you find items, select and recover them to restore conversation threads. If nothing appears, check settings for messages in iCloud status and iCloud backup timestamps. When Messages in iCloud is enabled, your message history syncs across devices continuously and may not be in local backups. If needed, restore your iPhone from an iCloud backup made before the deletion date. To use a local backup, connect your iPhone to the computer you used for backups. Use Finder or iTunes to view backup dates and restore a backup from before deletion. If you prefer not to restore, use a reputable third-party recovery tool to scan local backups and the device storage for recoverable messages. Be cautious with security and choose well-reviewed software. As a final option, contact your mobile carrier to request SMS records, which often include text timestamps and content for a limited period.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.